Hello dear customers, welcome to RocketFlasher. In this video, I'll show you how to perform an instant swap. Our services operate so fast that everything will be completed in just 1 minute. In this video, we're choosing a random website from Google to perform a swap. After selecting, we can choose the USDT TRX network and swap the coin we want. I prefer Solana for its speed. After clicking on exchange, it asks for our wallet address. We enter our wallet address and start the process. We will log into the wallet provided to us via our bot and perform transactions. All our transactions are executed automatically in real time. After entering the wallet address, we type the amount we want to send and press enter. Now we will just wait for the transaction to be confirmed via TransCan. As you can see, nothing is happening now. We'll wait for the network reflection. Let's also check if there are any Solana transaction via SolScan. No transactions have started here either. Let's wait a little longer. The USDT has been credited to my account, now we'll wait for confirmation. As you can see, it was approved without any problems on the site. Now we will just wait for the Solana coin arrive. Yes, as you can see, our money has arrived via SolScan as well. Everything is now confirmed. It also displays through our Phantom wallet. Here you can either swap the funds or send them back to your own wallet address. The choice is yours. If you want to purchase our service, you can do so automatically through our website. Thank you for choosing us.